Nigerian youth, when I think say it is easy to protest, I don't see when I protest now. Just be like where on the protest, it be like where Guinea fowl, two Guinea fowl they play. This one a protest, they shoot tear gas, all of them begin their run. They shoot tear gas, only tear gas, that way when begin their run. If not to gossip, we go under your laptop and the Facebook, begin the write rubbish. Now they cannot do this, IPOB do this, IPOB do that. Now you have learned your lesson. Tomorrow, I'm expecting some of you to write apology letter to Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. Tell them, say, una try. You see, una don't see una own protest. Una the protest. See where una the protest. They hold una leader. All of una don't run away. They catch una leader, all of una run. And una they claim say una love one Nigeria. Say the truth. Make shame catch devil. Nigeria can never work. If you hope say Nigeria go work, you are wasting your time. See protest. Are you not seeing the way Hong Kong people are protesting? Sudanese people, don't you see how they are protesting? That is how to protest. Even when the protest took place in France, do you see how they protest? I think they protest for 1 month or 2 months. They are there making noise. See protest, so they catch on a leader, all of them just run away. No protest or nothing. Say you do protest. You see the way where IPOB they do their own rally. They see us what they do them. But they insult us that time. They insult us. They say they are fraud. This one, that one, that one. We need freedom. What we need is freedom. Biafra is what we want, not we want Nigeria. See protest where when I go do. You hear people. That is why Trump said Nigeria is a shithole. And their president Buhari said Nigeria, all the youth are lazy youths. Come on to protest. We are scared. They feel kill you. That is why all of them are enter house. How many of them are there? I know even when I count for there. How many people do I see there? They are not even up to 100. Say they protest. This one a protest. I beg go sit down. Or go and face your Facebook and begin write rubbish when they write for there. Now you say this one na to share money. If to say that those days, that time where they vote, they will begin to share money. Where they share money, they say, yeah, share, yeah, baba, yeah, baba, yeah, baba. All these people where they protest, all of them, or even together with this show, wherever you see, all of them protest against protest and chase away Goodluck Jonathan. Goodluck Jonathan, a man who came to fix everything in Nigeria, and so that even you, stupid animal, will have a better life. Now you guys chase him away. And today you are protesting. I don't go agree, I don't go agree, I don't go agree, I don't go agree. Pa! Gotta fuck off there, man. No wonder. The Nigeria. Nigeria don't go walk. All of them are zombie, all of them be. Nigerian youth are zombie, capital zombie. If you don't like, and me talk them. Nothing. Now be capital zombie. Go and protest now. Make you see I see they be. That time where army they shoot to IPOB when I did there they talk. The only tear gas now when they shoot, all of them run away. Don't tell me when just example now where 500 Fulani men carry gun enter on our area. What thing go happen? When I go run enter Cotonou, say you want one Nigeria. One Nigeria, my foot. Biafra is our last hope. Biafra is in my heart. Biafra flow in my vein. Anybody who is telling you that Nigeria will work, nothing. All those you are politicians, they are there using you. You are a fool. You that are watching me, that you believe in one Nigeria. You will see how you will end up with one Nigeria. Nobody have chase Jonathan out. When I say all those that time when they protest, Tunde Bakare. Which this professor Shoyinka, all of them, Buhari, Tinubu, them, all of them, they march. 1 million march. Now today, make una march. We no see you again. Make una march. Wicked people. Say una one Nigeria. When your heart is full of evil, you are looking for one Nigeria. One Nigeria, my ass. Nala. Una never see something. Make una go protest now. Where they hold our leader now in the Kano. You know what IPOB do? They protest until they release him. Make una go do now. Make some of una receive bullets. You know what? That time where would they post videos of what Nigerian military they do to IPOB? Some of una think say na propaganda. Some say na what happened to another country. Go protest. Only tear gas. So now where they shoot. All of una put head for bush. When I want one Nigeria. Useless youth to Nigeria. Nala. Pa! Very nonsense people. Teaching that to go the gossip. Now they cannot do this. Now they cannot do that. IPOB do this. IPOB do that. It don't reach. You go protest. Maybe we see your face. See when I protest, it be like we are too giddy with the facts. They fight. See when they protest. This one a protest. Go make you go revise IPOB protest. Go revise them where they hold our leader. You see how many people where you see there. And millions of people, then they march. They march without no fear. Only when I own that to sit behind their laptop, begin their write nonsense. Hold your phone for hand, begin the comment nonsense. Carry fake Facebook, they write rubbish. Now they talk rubbish. And they mock on her. If you know like I'm vexed, and they mock on her, I'm very happy. Go there, they made a shoot to make you see as they be. So that next time you will learn. If you die, you dare lucky come again in this life, then you will know how to, you will learn. You will learn how to speak the truth. When you don't, you will learn how to speak the truth. Not because of they don't brainwash you, then go tell you, say, Igbo man did this one, that one, do that one, that one, do that. See Nigeria today now, who is spoiling Nigeria? Is it Igbo man? When we are in primary school, every story say Igbo man, Q, they do this one, do that one, that. This thing what Buhari they do now, he never reach to do Q. He never reach. When I know if you protest, when they look for Igbo man to come protest or Biafrans to come protest. Go protest, go protest. Not be to sit down somewhere they talk rubbish. Go protest, make you see as they day. Only tear gas. You never see bullets, you they run. Nonsense ndala. Na uchu baku unu the Nigeria ndala. Unu ndala ku unu. If you know like waiting at the top, let me talk am. Nothing they happen. Biafra all the way. Nande kam onye ka isaga. Nonsense, useless Nigerian people.